In the previous video, you have learned about the Request Custom Quote for Modular Data Center Designer. In this video, you will understand the Request Custom Quote Solution Overview for Modular Data Center Designer. Now that you have entered the required details into the application, let's submit the solution for approval. When you click Finish on the Technical Specification page, you will be directed to the Solution Overview page. On this Solution Overview page, you will find the status as Open, and also you have the provision for submitting the solution. Click Submit for approval. On clicking Submit for approval, you will be directed to this page. On this Solution Status page, click Submit Solution for review, as it is required to get the solution reviewed by Schneider Electric. Once the solution is sent for review, the status will change from Open to Submitted. Since you are a sales user, you will not be able to see the value of each SKU, but an approver can view all the details related to the SKUs as per the solution. As an approver, you can click Change Status. On clicking the Change Status, you will be directed to this page. Now, click Receive Solution. You can see that the status has changed from Submitted to Received. If the approver wants to see the entered details of the solution, need to click Edit Design. The Edit button will direct the approver to this non-editable page. When the Edit button is clicked, the page will be enabled for the approver to modify accordingly. On clicking the Edit button, another screen appears for him or her to proceed. Approver can modify the details if required. There is another button called Engineering Material Documents. Once the status is shown as received, the engineering documents will appear. Approver can click the Save button to save the documents. And on clicking the Go to Custom Requirement Details button, it will take the approver back to the previous screen. Once you go back to the previous screen, you will find the Next button. When the approver clicks the Next button, it will direct to Custom Quote Details. As an approver, you can estimate the price of the solution, which has been viewed already. Here, let's add the price under Direct Price. Once the direct price is entered, the ERP price and the list price, along with the calculation, can be viewed. On this Custom Quote Details page, the approver can enter all the required details pertaining to the customer. An additional provision given here is that the approver can directly use the Estimator tool from this page itself. Click on the Finish button to navigate to the Solution Overview page. If there is no requirement to enter the estimator, the approver can be directed to the next page. With this, we have come to the end of this video. In this video, you learned about the Request Custom Quote Solution Overview in Modular Data Center Designer. In the next video, you will learn about module creation through Estimator in Modular Data Center Designer.